In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your HostGator domain to your Blogger account. Whether you're looking to personalize your blog or you simply want a professional touch, getting a custom domain is a great step forward. Let's dive into this process and make sure everything is set up smoothly. First, you'll want to log into your Blogger account. This will be your starting point for the domain setup. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the settings section. From the menu options available, look for custom domain and click on it. This area is where you'll begin connecting your HostGator domain to your Blogger account. Go ahead and enter the domain name that you've got registered with HostGator. Make sure to type it in correctly, and typically you would enter it without the www. When you enter your HostGator domain name, Blogger will generate two name records specifically for your setup. These records function like little signposts that direct internet traffic to the right place, and they'll play a crucial role in connecting your domain. Now it's time to switch over to HostGator to add these name records. Log into your HostGator cPanel account. Once you're in, locate and click on the Zone Editor. This is where you can manage all the DNS records associated with your domain. In the Zone Editor, you'll add the name records that Blogger provided. It's important to be precise here, so double check that you've entered both name records exactly as Blogger has listed them. Once the name records are added, make sure to save the changes. At this point, you might need to be a little patient as DNS changes can take some time to propagate. This simply means that the changes you've made need to be updated across the internet, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. It's a normal part of the process. After waiting for the DNS changes to propagate, return to your Blogger account to verify the domain setup. This is to ensure that everything is working as it should. Once the domain is verified, your Blogger site will be accessible through your shiny new HostGator domain, giving your blog a more polished, professional appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your HostGator domain to your Blogger account, giving your blog a custom domain that stands out. By following these steps, you've taken a big step towards enhancing your blog's identity and accessibility. I hope this video has been helpful and clear. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.